It was 1936 when 7-year-old Dave Martin started in the garage door business, working for his brother in Santa Ana, California. Dave literally grew up in the industry and even helped his brother design one of the earliest one-piece garage doors. It was to be the first of many innovations. After World War II, Dave's family moved to Orem, Utah, near Salt Lake City. And shortly thereafter, Dave enlisted in the United States Navy, serving his country for the next few years as a sailor during the Korean War. Civilian life led Dave back to Salt Lake, where he eventually took over the family business from his ailing brother. Over the next 5 decades, Dave Martin grew the company on a concern for the customer and continuing a trend from his earlier days on product innovation. In 1977, Dave and his team introduced the first colored overhead doors, and in the early 80s helped create the original raised panel steel door. After 20 years of research, Dave also began manufacturing the first galvanized torsion springs, tubes, and hardware. But the innovations that gave Dave Martin the greatest satisfaction have to do with safety, particularly the safety of children. Take, for instance, the finger shield safety system for sectional doors, or the rolled edge track assemblies that eliminate sharp edges and large holes so little fingers won't find themselves in danger. As you've seen, throughout his nearly 70 years in the business, Dave Martin has worked hard to develop new products that are today industry standards. But at the same time, Dave has also managed not to take himself too seriously.
I'm Dave Martin. My advertising people say on camera I'm a little stiff, but I insisted that I be the one to tell you about our new Super Steel sectional door at a super low price. Call or see us today. Tell them Dave Martin sent you. Now what's stiff about that?
Dave Martin and his wife of 53 years, Virginia, are the parents of 4 children and the grandparents of 17. Dave takes great pride in serving his community, his family, and since 1936, the garage door industry. Please welcome to our stage one of our industry's greatest innovators and the recipient of the 2003 Distinguished Service Award, Mr. David Martin.